Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix CapCut network error on PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The first thing you should do is check if CapCut has any new updates available. CapCut can be quite buggy when it's not updated regularly. If you're on a Mac, open the App Store and check for any pending CapCut updates. If you're using Windows, open CapCut and look for an update notification at the top right corner of the window. If you see one, click on it, download the latest version, install it, and then restart the app. Keeping CapCut updated often fixes internet and network-related problems. Next, make sure your internet connection is fast and stable. You can check this by visiting a website like speedtest.net to see your download speed, upload speed, and overall stability. If the results are low and you're using mobile data or a weak hotspot, try switching to a stronger and more stable Wi-Fi connection. Once you've done that, restart CapCut and open it again to see if the network error is still showing up. Another fix that works in many cases is using a VPN. The steps are similar whether you're on a MacBook or a Windows PC. You can download a VPN service like NordVPN, ProtonVPN, or any other reliable provider. After installing the VPN app, connect to a fast and stable server, such as one in the United States or the UK. Once connected, restart CapCut and open it again to see if the issue is resolved. In most cases, one of these steps will fix the CapCut network error on your Windows PC or Mac. And that's it. So that is how you can fix CapCut network error on Windows PC or Mac. So that's all for this video. Thanks.